Let's make a low-calorie semolina pudding using skimmed milk and artificial sweetener. Semolina pudding is a traditional European dish that dates back to Roman times. Boring in itself, but with a tasty sauce on, you get a delicious dessert that's cheap and easy to make. Heat it up over high heat, stirring constantly to prevent the milk from burning at the bottom. Once it starts to steam and thicken, reduce the heat to low and keep stirring until it reaches a porridge-like consistency. If you're not counting calories, feel free to use regular sugar and toss in a tablespoon or two of butter for extra richness. Taste and adjust with more sweetener or a splash of almond extract if needed. Then pour it into a bowl or serving glasses and let it chill in the fridge. It tastes better cold than warm. For sauces, you can use a fruity drink mix, super tasty but high in calories. My favorite is maple syrup, fewer calories but still not exactly diet-friendly, or just grab any low-calorie dessert sauce you can find at the store.